Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Balmaceda and welcome to my YouTube channel, SQL Portfolio, where I want to help you become a skilled data analyst and create an impressive portfolio. In this video, I'll show you how to create a heat map that will bring your data to life and uncover hidden patterns and trends. Heat maps are a powerful tool to analyze data in a visually engaging way, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own heat map. So let's go ahead and get started with Looker Studio's heat map. I'm going to go to Looker Studio by clicking on Explore Data and then on Explore with Looker Studio. Then click on Add a Chart, find the heat map, then drag the coordinates to field and the connection count to weight. The field and weight define the variables used to visualize the data. The field section represents the heat map's x-axis or y-axis. The weight section allows you to assign a numerical value to each data point, influencing the intensity representation of the heat map. Then, if you click on the pencil icon for the coordinates, we need to change the data from text to geo, latitude, longitude. Now you can see the heat map. You can also click on the Style tab if you want to personalize the map. In conclusion, heat maps in Looker Studio offer valuable insights through a visually engaging data analysis. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video. Your support not only helps the channel, but also helps me create more content. If you want to know more about the basics for Looker Studio, you can click on the link above or check out my video, Looker Studio Basics. I hope I was able to earn your thumbs up, and thank you for watching.